ever pondered the magic behind a successful digital marketing campaign? How does a simple online ad inspire you to click, engage, or even buy? Today, we're unraveling that mystery. Step 1 in our journey is content creation. Content isn't just about writing, it's about telling a story that resonates with your audience. It's about crafting a narrative that's compelling, relevant, and valuable. Remember, good content speaks to the heart, not just the mind. Next, we venture into social media management. It's more than just posting updates. It's about fostering a community. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, share their content, be authentic, consistent, and timely. Remember, social media is a two-way street. Now, let's talk about search engine optimization or SEO. It's not just about keywords, but about understanding user intent. Create content that answers your audience's questions. Use relevant keywords, optimize your meta tags, and build quality backlinks. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy, not a one-time task. Next up, email marketing. It isn't dead, it's more alive than ever. Personalize your emails, segment your subscribers, and offer real value. Monitor your open rates and click-through rates to gauge success. Remember, email marketing is about building relationships, not just selling products. Then there's the world of analytics. It's all about understanding the numbers. Monitor your website traffic, track user behavior, and analyze campaign performance. Use this data to inform your strategy. Remember, what's measured gets managed. Paid advertising too plays a pivotal role. It's not just about spending money, it's about investing wisely. Target your ads, test different versions, and monitor your return on investment. Remember, paid advertising is a science, not a gamble. Don't forget about graphic design. A picture speaks 1,000 words. Use visuals to enhance your message. Remember, design is not just about aesthetics, it's about communication. Lastly, we explore the art of copywriting. It's not just about writing, it's about persuading. Use power words, create a sense of urgency, and focus on benefits. Remember, good copy doesn't feel like selling. So, to recap, today we've explored the core digital marketing skills: content creation, social media management, SEO, email marketing, analytics, paid advertising, graphic design, and copywriting. Each of these skills is a piece of the puzzle that, when combined, create a powerful digital marketing strategy. Remember, mastering these skills takes time and practice. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep pushing forward. After all, the road to digital marketing success is always under construction. Thanks for joining our journey today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making a digital impact.